Hi guys, so we have the Xbox 360 unboxing. This is our wireless version. This is our Lazada store, or you can contact us here, 0917-527-4804, or scan this QR code. So this is the Xbox 360 controller. This is the OEM replacement product, not the original one. Same with the original. I have the original controller here. This is the original controller we have, and this is the replacement OEM. So let's unbox this. Inside the box we have a free AA battery. So we have a color black Xbox 360 wireless. Same with this is the original. Reset. This is the pairing mode. Almost the same. There's a Xbox logo also. Weight same. Quality is the same. So there's a user manual. This is compatible for Xbox 360 only. For PC, Microsoft PC, I'm not sure, but some of our customers already try. It works, but I cannot guarantee. So this is the battery slot. So same with the original, there's a label, and you can plug this battery and you can insert this in. So yeah, unboxing review for this Xbox 360 wireless replacement controller. Thank you guys, contact us here.